In this video, we shall be solving a question on standard gamma distribution. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel. How do we go about it? Solution. We are talking about the moment generating function. So we should recall that for the moment generating function, we have it as, which is also equal to 0 to infinity exponential tx dot f of x dx. So this is what we are using. The moment generating function is equal to this for the continuous case. So the next thing to do is to put this function into this. So we have moment generating function to be equal to the integral from 0 to infinity exponential tx multiplied by the gamma function, the standard gamma function, which is x raised to the power of alpha minus 1 exponential minus x all over the gamma function dx. So this is what we have, because we have substituted the function into the moment generating function. We are asked to find the moment generating function for the gamma function. So the next thing to do is to bring this over here. We have that the moment generating function will be equal to 1 all over the gamma function from 0 to infinity. We have x dot exponential negative x exponential tx dx. So the next thing to do, we'll combine these two exponential functions. So we have our moment generating function to be 1 all over the integral from 0 to infinity x minus 1 dot exponential. X and x is common, so we take negative, we'll bring out x, 1 minus t multiplied by x dx. So we will notice that this function here means something, where integral from 0 to infinity x alpha minus 1 exponential 1 minus t x dx is equal to the gamma function all over 1 minus t alpha. So the whole of this function means this. The next thing to do is for we to combine the moment generating function, this, multiply it by this function. We come over to this place. So combining that function, we have our moment generating function to be 1 all over the gamma function multiplied by, now instead of we to write this, instead of we to write the whole of this function, we substitute this into it. So we have the gamma function all over 1 minus t alpha. So of course, this can cancel this. So it then means that our moment generating function for the standard gamma distribution is equal to 1 all over 1 minus t alpha. So this is what we'll get for the standard gamma distribution. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel.